Let's be honest, learning can be a task. And you aren't alone in thinking that. There are days when you just end up not wanting to study at all. There are other days when you study so well that you feel like you're on the top of the world. You wonder whether you can maintain that streak day in and day out. There's an easier way to do it. Want to know how to trick your brain to actually get studies done efficiently and easily? Let's get going. Point number 1 is a classic: incentives. Think of learning as a game. Set up rewards for yourself. It could be a piece of chocolate, a short break, or a quick chat with a friend. Anything that keeps you motivated. Here I'm creating a simple reward chart. For every chapter I complete, I get a star. Once I reach 5 stars, I can get the chocolate bar that I really want. You can use a similar concept over here as well to actually get yourself incentivized to be able to study properly. This might sound silly, but your brain really loves rewards. Now let's talk about motivation and discipline. Find what truly drives you to learn. It could be a career goal, it could be a personal goal, whatever. Discipline, on the other hand, is the engine that keeps you going, even when motivation takes a dip. Personally, I find immense satisfaction in helping others understand concepts. That's my motivation. Discipline is like sticking to my study schedule, even on days when that new episode of Jujutsu Kaisen is calling my name. Point number 3 is the power of breaking down your studies into smaller and smaller chunks. Instead of overwhelming yourself with the massive textbooks, the amount of chapters that you have, break them down into smaller, manageable chunks. The brain can only handle so much information at a certain time. So how do you do this? Set a timer for 25 minutes, focus on your material, and then take a 5-minute break. This is the simple Pomodoro technique. It keeps your brain refreshed and ready to absorb more information as and when you are able to schedule them accordingly. Let's gamify a study session. Turn your learning experience into a game. Create challenges, set high scores, and compete against your previous achievements. Lastly, the environment that you surround yourself with. You surround yourself with positivity. Create a study space that inspires you. Add motivational quotes. Use bright colors and play uplifting music. Your environment is the most important thing when you actually need to succeed in life. Your environment shapes your mindset. Make sure it's conducive to learning and filled with positive reinforcement. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to trick your brain into actually learning efficiently. Remember, it's all about making the process enjoyable. If you have any tips or tricks, make sure you share them in the comments down below. Also, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow my socials, and make sure to register for my one-on-one mentorship sessions. Till then, thank you and happy learning.